Gateway is created. Next, subnets are created. Two subnets, public subnet and private subnet. Route table is also created. Two route tables, RT1, RT2. So RT1 is given for public. RT1 is public and RT2 is private. So similarly, if you put the subnets here, public subnet and private subnet. Now, if you launch the machine, EC2. So here currently no running instances are there here. Go to the old one. I am creating one machine. To take in the RHL box. So this is a free type account. So now here, coming to here, this is a VPC that you have created. Okay. Next, coming to here two options are there. One is public, other one is private. Okay, if you are choosing the public, so this instance is visible to all. Okay, anybody can access this server. Okay, so let me create two RHL boxes so that you can understand. So one for public, other one is private. So I'm giving this a public. So when this is a public, so then I should enable the public IP. Okay, so next add storage, add tags, security group, so review, branch. So here you can create new key pair. Let us take public key. You can call it a public. Go to the bottom, launch instance. So you can call this server as web server because this is allowed for all the public. Now I'm launching one more machine with private. So where is this? Head. Head. Next one. So see here, I'm choosing the private subnet here. Whenever you are choosing the private subnet, so nobody can access that one. So here, option should be disabled. So public IP should not be allowed here. So it should be disabled. So click on the next one. Add tags, security group, review, launch. So here you can give new one. Here it is a private. Launch the machine. Now here is private. I can call it an app server. Say app server. Now see the difference between the web server and app server. You can understand clearly. One machine is launched public, that is yellow, which is visible to all the public. So app server should not be given for public. So see here, web server, it is having the public IP. Whereas app server, it is don't have the public IP. This app server don't have public IP because you are not given the public access to this machine. Therefore, nobody can hack this machine. Nobody can hack this machine. But this is visible to all. If you allow this app server to public, so here public IP will be available so that everybody can visit this server, and the hacking also will be happen. This is security. Okay, that's why any app server or DB server should not given to public access. It should be only private. Now, if you want to log in into the app server, you cannot log in into this app server because you don't have the public IP. Okay, and one more important point. Every restart, so this IP will be changes, right? Okay, just now you have seen how to make the constant IP means. So create one elastic IP. Here this IP is there. So this IP I'm associating this elastic IP to one instance. So here already I have one instance. Which instance I want to assign for web server, because app server don't have the public IPs. So for web server. So before that, so check that EC2 what is the IP. What is the IP of that web server? So this is the IP of the web server. Just copy and paste the board. Okay. Now we are creating one elastic IP. So this is the elastic IP. Okay. If you are not assigning to any instance, or if you keep this elastic IP idle, then charges will be applicable. Now what I'm doing, I'm just created this elastic IP. I'm allocating this to one of the instance. So now no charges will be for applicable for this. So give this instance. This not required. It will automatically take. So allow this elastic IP address to be reassociated. So associate. I think it is already created for NAT gateway. That's why it is not taken. We create one more elastic IP, then we can apply that one. Okay. Allocate IP address. I'm taking for creation of new elastic IP. I'm just using this allocate elastic IP address. So click on this. So just allocate. Now new IP will be, so here it is asking, so associate this elastic IP address. Now click on this. Now this new IP, so this is a new IP, elastic IP. I'm giving to this web server. Now associate. Now see here, elastic IP associated successful. Now if you go to the instance, EC2 dashboard instance here, if you go to the here, so check this one. So now the IP is now changed. Previously, this is the IP. There is a public IP of that machine. If you restart the machine, this IP will be continuously changing. For that, what we are doing, we are created one elastic IP and we are assigning that IP to the machine web server. Therefore, now this elastic IP will be the public IP and it will be same even after restart. If you want, you can check here. This is stopping the machine. So 235.105. This is the IP of this machine. The machine is stopped. Now I'm just restarting the machine. So when the machine is restarted, the IP will be remain same. Let's restart the machine. IP is never changes. So that is the importance of elastic. Understood? Here, 2 points. One is related to elastic IP. Other one is, so how to disable the public IP for app server and DB server. Okay, how to disable the app server IP address for app server and DB server. So how we are doing that? So for here, while launching the machine itself, while launching the machine itself in the configure instance, here you are doing the setting auto assign public IP. This is you are making disable. By making this to disable, the public IP will not be assigned to the app server or DB server. Therefore, they are more secure. So this is a most important setting. Clear? Doubts? Do practice. If you have any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow.